Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about government portfolio. In this, first we will discuss about forest officer. What is forest officer? So we will discuss what is forest officer. Forest officer is the Indian Forest Service, is one of the civil services examination conducted by Union Public Service Commission UPSC for the recruitment officer at the all India level by the Government of India for the scientific management of its forest. The next is what are the essential qualification for the forest officer. So in this, a bachelor degree with at least one of the subject, namely botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, geology, forestry, statistics, or a bachelor's degree in agriculture or bachelor's degree in engineering from a university established by law in India or a foreign university approved by the central government from time to time, or a qualification recognized by the government as equivalent thereto. So next is what are the age limit for the forest officer. So candidates must have attended the age of 21 years and must not have crossed the age of 40 years on July 1, 2020. That is, they must not have been born earlier than 2nd July 1980 and not later than July 1, 1919. For PH candidates, the maximum age limit is 55 years. That is, they must have not been born between before 2nd July 1965. The next is what are the exam patterns of forest officer? So candidates who qualify preliminary examination are called for the main exam, and on the basis of marks secured in main exam they will be called for the interview. So in this there are 6 papers in which there are 4 categories of subjects, and marks distribution is like in paper 1 we have subject general English which contribute 300 marks. In paper 2nd subject is general knowledge which is of 300 marks. In paper 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th subject is any 2 subject to be selected from the list, the optional subject, which is total of 200 marks for each paper. So that's all about the forest officer. So if you have any query you can write down in comment section. Thank you so much.